So the Fiesta returns. This is in a full valet, and it's quite bad. Oh my god! Look at the carpet. If you can see the carpet, that is. It's so bad. It's so bad. Oh, I can have my work cut out with me. Trying to get this carpet. Oh look, carpet cleaned. Oh, it's a bit messy. Okay, I better get on. Okay, so starting off with the Auckland clean wheels. Bit of Auckland clean all, just to get the tyres a bit cleaner. And look, got a remote. My pressure washer's on remote control. Right, I'll give this a brush up. Not forgetting the petrol cap, of course. Be careful spraying this, the key won't come out until it's locked. I quite like doing the older cars. They just seem to be a bit more simpler and easier to do. More enjoyable as well, I think. So this is Auckland Super Resin Polish, which I'm just about to put on the car. And this is Auckland Leather Balm. I don't want to get these two mixed up. Oh, what the... Auckland Plastic Trim and Conditioner. Bring these plastic bumpers sections back to a lovely shine, very water repellent, really good product, just a little bit messy to use. There you go, look, before, after, before and after. Someone's bibbing at me, wonder who that was. Before and after, before and after. Auckland tyre dressing, yes, I'm spraying it on. It's going to probably drive some of the detailers mad. I'm sorry, friends. Look at my genius. It's starting to rain. Blimey. Right, I'll probably see you in about a week when I've finished hoovering this vehicle. Nothing to see here, move along. Well, it's looking a little bit better now, as you can see. Not as bad as it was. Bit cleaner. There we go, so that's another one out of the way. Quite mucky, this one. Took a little while. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and taking a look at the other uploads. See you in the next one.